Hello, this is Manish. I'm going to share my screen. This week, I'm going to speak about SoMABiT. It's knowledge discovery from social media analysis. The summary reference Mahdi Bahuli Jens Jaljar Market discovery from social media using big data provider sentiment analysis. Introduction. Employing SoMABT social media analysis as the platform for social media analysis while taking into account its research and engineering features using big data technology. The use of map reduced but that a holistic platform can be created to manage enormous volumes of data with the development of distributed algorithms and are also discussed in this paper. Related literature, big data analytics, knowledge discovery, NoSQL, database, sentiment analysis, and social media analysis. Research strategy. The following notions are taken into consideration as the authors review the state of the art technologies that are now used in order to iterate and them from a different perspective. Sentiment analysis, big data analytics and visualization, sentiment technology analytics, advances, social media analysis and marketing, big data based sentiment, social media analytics, interconnection. By taking into account these technological elements, we may distinguish between data that should be taken into account and data that should be excluded from the study. Social media analysis used with NoSQL. The use of NoSQL with social media analysis for large volumes and diverse data has been covered by several authors. Additionally, the study seeks to explain how a SoMABiT capacity to ingest data from many sources may be used efficiently for social media research. The SoMABiT architecture makes it easy to comprehend how these data sources can be integrated into the tool's many layers. The tool's user interface offers an interactive depiction of the outcomes of several social media analysis. SoMABiT realization. This realization will determine whether these combined sentiment analysis machine learning methods are strong enough to stand up to general applications. The author attempts to explain SoMABiT's technical and functional architecture in this section. The architecture consists of the following three components. SoMABiT server, SoMABiT web server-led graphical user interface. Most frequently, the server will connect to social networking sites and can download information using API. Later, the data will be transformed into a format that the web server can use. The author demonstrates how project creation and implementation can be done in technical architecture. Paper makes use of a device with 20 quad-core processors, 4 GB of RAM, and 500 GB of storage to manage numerous missions and upload centralization. Name Node 1 serves as different. Zuckerberg is then used to manage data jobs, which are subsequently connected to a MySQL database. Auth is an authentication method that is used to access Twitter. When data import and retrieval are finished, the database connection is cut off. The system employs web servlet to communicate with users through the most interface. Sentiment analysis algorithm based on MapReduce. The process consists of the following steps. The database next is extracted and keywords are then looked for in this text in mapping phase. This text is handled in further detail. This text will then go through classification procedures with the use of lexical resources. The system provides HTML output formats that may be seen on the user interface to visualize various charts and analyze the outcomes. Such discussions and conclusions. Users can engagingly see the findings using the various visualizations shown below. Bubble chart, table, bubble bar chart, line, circle packing. The answers can also be read in HTML format so that they can be seen in the rows and columns of HBase database. In the format of circle packing, the data produced by MapReduce task can be more visually seen. Social media analysis may be used for functioning in a variety of settings, including the football field for social media support and the automobile industry. Future development of this system may include additional database to create a fully finished product that can be packaged in a mashup tool. Additionally, the software can be made better by speeding up response. The system can be also made more accurate. Contribution with the aid of SoMABiT technological and scientific components. This paper significantly advances the field of sentiment analysis of social media data. Critical analysis, overall assessment. We can apprehend how social media data is retrieved by establishing a connection to the NoSQL database and analyzing the data with the aid of data from social networks after carefully examining the paper. Research methodology. The technical features of the system have been taken into account in the research. This provides a clear viewpoint of one system. A thorough understanding of the architecture from both the technical architecture will also aid in our understanding of the system. Future research, extending the support for numerous database system connections and enhancing the response efficiency and reliability of the system data will allow the paper's future study to be carried out. New knowledge learned. The writers have offered a fantastic understanding of how data flows from start to finish, starting with the data extraction, ending with such data being analyzed to determine sentimental analysis. Questions. After retrieving the data in visual and HTML format, how many sentiment analysis we performed? how can those charts be read successfully to extract the necessary results from them? Thank you.